Today I'm announcing that earnings on super balances above $3 million will have a concessional rate of 30% rather than 15%. This proposal does not change the fundamentals of our superannuation system. 99.5% of people with superannuation are unaffected by this reform. Under 80,000 people will be impacted by this. Importantly, this change will not occur until the 1st of July 2025. Now, you will have noticed that's beyond this term. It's after the next election. It's also not retrospective. It applies to future earnings.
The average superannuation balance is about $150,000. And the few people with balances above $3 million hold an average of almost $6 million in their accounts. As the Prime Minister said, 17 people have got more than 100 million, one person's got more than 400 million. And think about this example. A $100 million fund earning a 5% return receives a tax break upwards of $1.5 million a year compared to a return outside of super if it was taxed at the marginal rate. So it takes 100 average wage earners paying the average amount of tax to pay the tax break for that single super account every year. 100 ordinary people to fund with their taxes the tax break on someone with $100 million in super.
Like if you knew that there was someone out there who had $400 million in their superannuation account, I didn't. If you knew that there were 17 people who had $100 million in their account, I didn't. And it's hard to argue that those levels is about actual retirement incomes, which is what superannuation is for.